Oh!
That would fly way further if it doesn't hit the net. This distance paper airplane has a really good gliding ability, flying higher and higher, easily crossing the 40 meters tennis court. This is the CR10, the 10th generation of my original CR paper airplane series. I would like to introduce the prototype first, because usually when I design planes, I design it and modify it many times, at least 3 or 4 times, making numerous improvements. Okay, here's another prototype. This one doesn't have a nose lock. Now let's start the tutorial for the final product. You will need an A4 paper, a ruler, a pen, and a scraper. First step, fold the paper in half. This is the international convention fold. Then fold it in half again, but horizontally. And then fold that in half again with the crease here. Take out a ruler and a pen, and then measure 6.5 centimeters here. This will be the wing chord length. Then measure about 0.6 centimeters here. This is the prepared length for the Collins nose lock. Then fold here, form a line between the 0.6 centimeters point and the 6.5 centimeters point. Fold this part. You can fold the same with the other side like this. Prepare the fold for the inner plug structure. Fold this to the crease. Then roll this part up and mark this point. Completely unfold the paper. Fold this part up. This part is everything above the point you just marked. Fold it from that point. Then rearrange the paper by folding this up first and then fold this back down. You can turn the paper around to see that there's a gap. Then form this fold again. Same as the other side. Now there's an interesting step here. Fold this to the crease here. And then because there's a little bit extra of paper, fold this part back again to the line you just made. It's quite complex. The same with the other side. If you don't understand, you can pause the video and watch it multiple times. After you finish that, roll this up again. So there's more paper layer here. Fold this part up again. This should be perfectly on the crease. Then what do we do with the extra bit of gap? You press it down like this. Fold it back like this again. You can see there's a bit more paper here, so we can utilize that. Fold the paper like this so it can create a crease for it to go into. This inward curve will shift the paper plane's center of gravity forward. Fold it in like this, as you can see here, and then measure it to the middle line, and then just press it down like this. This step is creative and original, making good use of the extra section. And then here's a complex move. There's a bit of paper there, so we have to make the lock first and then tuck the other part. Here's how you make the nose lock. You can fold this little bit in if you want, but it's not necessary. And then tuck this piece into the pocket. Now it's the time to make the wings. If you follow till here, great, because this is actually one of the harder planes. Now for the end tail height here, I chose 4.3 centimeters. To craft the wing, fold from the top of the lock to the 4.3 centimeters point. Same to the other side. Now it's finished. Good job for completing this plane. But before flying, you'll require some tape. For the taping, it's just the normal part near the top, the middle intersection, and then the back. You can follow my demo as in the video. You'll also need tape here at the paper layers. And there you have it. The CR10 distance glider paper airplane is complete. I am Ryan. Subscribe to my channel and see you again for another paper airplane tutorial. Goodbye.